Hey, I'm Jay from Ohio Power Tool here with my friend Jesse to talk about Flex Table Saw. And it looks like you didn't decide to come out with one table saw, you wanted to have two tables.
I guess they went right at it. 8 1/4 and a 10.
And a 10. So they're both fairly compact. It looks like, obviously, this is the more compact one. What is this?
It's going to be a simple table extension. It's going to allow you to get that much more rip. And just like that, lifts up, drops it down. So that allows you to get a lot more ripping capability. Blade left, we've got 20 1/2. This is an industry leading, so 20 1/2 inches blade left, and blade right, we've got 25 inches.
So power-wise, this thing, both of them are just monsters. But what I really like about it is you can go from the 10 amp, or any of the Flex, right?
Yep, it'll run off.
The kit comes with the 10 stack, and you can go with that, or you could actually go to an AC power cord.
That's what we're super excited about. You got an AC, DC adapter, so you're simply gonna be plugging into the battery ports on the saw, and then you've got a 21-foot cord. So you can run it to about anywhere on a job site, so that'll be really exciting.
And then what about the CutSense?
Yeah, so CutSense is it's a patented design by Flex. CutSense, once you pass through on your cut, and our sensor sits right up here, once you pass through, that's gonna, after a certain amount of seconds, it's gonna shut off. So after you run your wood through on your cut, it's gonna shut down for you. Thinking about the amount of time you have to walk around, or you got to swap out the cut, so that's going to be a game changer for longevity of battery.
From my standpoint, it does seem safer, but yeah, I get it that it doesn't stop the blade in an instant or anything like that.
Right. Nope, it's nothing to do with that. It's just longevity for the battery life, and like you said, it is safer on the operator as well.
This is a really cool feature.
Yes, it is.
I like.
Yeah, that light, I mean, people got so much excitement about that. It's a simple, you got a built-in battery right in the fence. You plug in a micro USB-C to charge it, and sometimes you got contractors even taking that fence off, hanging it on the job site. So it's a nice bright LED light. You could imagine how much light it casts over the cut, because we all know that you don't always have the right lighting, so.
Been saying for years, like, no more lasers, put an LED on everything.
Exactly. Yeah, real simple, you know, rack and pinion gear. I know it's solid steel gears. We're not using plastic gears anywhere in there. Even just, you know, thoughts of just, you know, the gauge here, we got a holder right on the side. You can just slap it in and never lose it.
So I am actually very familiar with the skill saw table saw that has the pop-up, the 10-inch. I've been using that thing for many years. You guys have really like kind of taken the best features from that and then just made them even better, and cordless.
Yeah, and cordless. You know, and that's what everybody's been asking for, is the power of the corded saws and the longevity. And here you've got both. You'll have the power. You'll see that with any of the batteries, but obviously with the 10 amp hour stacked lithium battery that we're using, and then being able to use the AC DC adapter and plug right in, that's a game changer.
In terms of controls up front, it's great to see the battery indicator right there. Very nice. Good at that. Lock it in. 145. You know, there's all these safety features that come with every saw, and I feel like unfortunately half of them get left in the box because they're just not that easy, and you don't want to be messing around with it. You go to, you know, use the fence up next to the blade and it comes off, and then you just end up with this blade bare out there. So because you never want to like screw everything back on.
Right.
But this one is like super intuitive. You just pull a lever up, you pull it out, and then you go, oh, need another one. And you put it back in, and then it just snaps.
Locks into place. Yep.
And you're done. 2 seconds. Some other accessories that go with the saw, you can use a dado. It'll be a 6-inch dado with this one, and then an 8-inch with the 10-inch. So you can get replacements. You can get zero clearance or dado replacements. Yeah,
I mean, it goes together. This one came to me without any instructions. It was simple to figure out between these two pieces, as you had mentioned. You know, your gauge holder, the table collapses down, and then the fence comes when it's shipped in the box. That comes on the bottom side, and that's honestly about it. You get your push stick right there. Okay, so this is the big brother, the 10-inch. For $100 more, there's a lot of similar features, but a lot of slightly different features. From a width point of view, the base is about the same. It is a few inches deep. So the top, obviously that's bigger. What were the cut sizes on this? Yeah, this one's 24.5. For cutting, yeah, this will do an actual 4x4? Yeah, this one will cut a true 4x4. Price on the quarter, $449, and then with the 10 amp hour starter kit, that's going to be $599. 10-inch, $549, and then it jumps
jumps to $749, also with the 10 amp hour. The only stand option right now is just a traditional folding scissor stand.
Yeah, yep, that's all we have for the time being. Maybe in the future something will change, but until then.
Of course, more specs and details below, and if you have any questions about any flex power tools, give us a call at Ohio Power Tool. We're happy to help you out.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.